Welcome back. In our last episodes, Henry Adams, a penniless American, found himself a London celebrity, armed with €1 million note he couldn't spend. He lived a grand lie, propelled by the power of perception. Now, can this extraordinary bluff last? Desperate for decent clothes, Henry entered a tailor shop. The assistant, Todd, was dismissive when Henry said he had no small change. But the moment Henry revealed the €1 million note, Todd's face froze in comical horror. The proprietor, upon seeing the note, instantly transformed, snatching Henry's rags and outfitting him in magnificent new clothes, ordering a full wardrobe on endless credit. Henry's perceived wealth had once again worked its magic. Henry quickly embraced a life of luxury, becoming the patron saint of a booming eating house. He was a sensation, caricatured by Punch and constantly in the papers as the West
Mr.
Pocket
Adams,
Millionaire.
it is a pleasure to
Yet,
finally meet
the
you.
constant fear of exposure haunted his nights. Even his old trick of wearing rags to shock people failed. He was too famous to be insulted anymore. Henry called upon the American
Langham,
minister, hoping for a
may I
savior when
introduce
his
Mr.
bluff
Henry
collapsed.
Adams?
At the minister's dinner, he instantly fell in
Mr.
love
Lloyd
with Portia
Hastings.
Langham. But then, his old colleague, Lloyd Hastings, appeared. Hastings was utterly flabbergasted to see Henry, his former clerk, as a London millionaire. Henry, keeping his secret, promised to tell Hastings his romance at the end of the month. The dinner dissolved into farce over a dispute about seating precedence. Later, playing cribbage, Henry and Portia were lost in each other, confessing their love. Henry then, squarely, told Portia his dire truth. He had nothing but the €1 million note, and it wasn't his. To his surprise, Portia found his troubles so comically absurd that she laughed herself lame, making Henry love her even more. Portia, charmingly, agreed to accompany Henry when he faced the brothers, bolstering his confidence. Soon after, Lloyd Hastings arrived, completely ruined after failing to sell his mine option. He desperately begged Henry to buy it. Just as Henry almost confessed his own penniless state, a white-hot idea flashed into his mind. He offered to let Hastings sell the mine for €3 million using Henry's name, splitting the profits. London quickly buzzed with the news of the massive sale, validating Henry's new status. With the month up, Henry had €1 million in the bank. He triumphantly returned to the brothers with Portia. He presented the original note, proving he'd won the bet. Then, he revealed his astounding profit, €200,000, earned simply by offering the note in change. Portia was playfully shocked. The brothers offered him any job, which Henry declined. But then, in a hilarious twist, Portia kissed one of the brothers, revealing him as her steppapa and the mastermind of the whole scheme. Henry, utterly petrified, quickly changed his mind. There was one situation he wanted: son-in-law. The father accepted, and London celebrated their unique story. The famous €1 million note now hangs framed in their home, a symbol of the one purchase it truly made, Portia and their happy life. And so concludes the fantastic tale of the €1 million banknote, a brilliant satire on the power of perception and the unexpected paths to happiness. What did you think? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this AI visualized classic, please like, subscribe, and check out our full series playlist. Thank you for watching.